Good morning, everybody. Today what we're going to do is talk about 3 of the hottest neighborhoods in the city. And what I mean by that is we're going to look at the 3 neighborhoods that have the highest year-over-year growth relative to March of last year. We're also going to look at the top 3 neighborhoods that are selling the fastest with the lowest amount of days on market. So let's get right to it. The top 3 Guelph neighborhoods with the largest median sale price gains in March 2019 relative to March 2018 are Dovercliffe Park, Old University, with a massive 45.1% price increase, General Hospital with a 39.5% increase, and downtown Guelph with a 36.1% increase. The fastest selling neighborhoods in Guelph in March 2019, when looking at median days on market, is Exhibition Park at 8 days, Dovercliffe Old University at 8 days, and St. George's at 10 days. If you live in one of those hot neighborhoods, now may be a great time to sell your home. And if you didn't see your neighborhood on the list, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to have a conversation with you about how your neighborhood relates to the others in Guelph and what your home may be worth. Thanks a lot and have a great day.